Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this unboxing of this Prestige Popular combination pack of 5 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter pressure cooker with induction bottom and which is of purely stainless steel, not a tri-ply, stainless steel. And see here, this is the 5 liter one, and the 3 liter and the 2 liter I'll show you, okay? And I'll again show you clearly this 5 liter one at the end, and this is the 3 liter one, and the user has already opened this and started cooking on this. That's the reason, just want to show you this. This is the 3 liter, okay? I'll just coming back to the 5 liter now. So this is the box package. Actually user is using 3 liter and 2 liter already, and this 5 liter is already still kept in the box, so that's the reason I want to show you the 5 liter. So yeah, this is the lid, okay? We just need to screw it up, okay? This is not screwed. We need to screw those handles. All the screws and everything were provided in the package only, and this is the pressure cooker which is of 5 liters. Yeah, and this comes with the induction bottom, and just look at the premium look of the stainless steel, and very premium. This is looking very premium, and user got this for around 5,000 rupees. And see the induction bottom. Just to show you the induction bottom, I just took this out, and it has the induction bottom. This is a 5 liter Prestige outer lid pressure cooker. And at the end of the video, I'll show you the online details also. And these are the highlights: control gasket release, mini metallic safety pin, gas and induction compatible. Yeah, trusted by millions. The main this is the 2 liter one, the 2 liter small one, and only 2 lids and 3 bases here, okay? Yeah, this is the Prestige combo set of 5 liter, 3 liter and 2 liter outer lid induction bottom pressure cooker, what you have seen up to now. And I just wanted to show you the price details and the ratings. It got 4.2, and many users have rated this pressure cooker as this is one of the premium brand, and it is saying like controlled gasket release system provides unmatched safety by letting excess steam built up inside the cooker. 3-layer durable sandwich bottom, especially this bottom is 3 layers. The outer is stainless steel, then aluminum, then stainless steel again. Durable handles and touch cool. This one, this weight they are saying. And the user got this for 4,000 rupees, and now the price has been reduced to 250 rupees or something like that, extra 275 rupees off it is saying. Maybe will be applied in the next step. You need to check the details at the time of purchase. If you want to, you can change these prices, and detail will change over time, and now it got reduced. That is a good thing, and it got 4.2 ratings. And here are the other details. Highlights: made of stainless steel, pack of 3 with induction bottom. Many users want to check the induction bottom. Yes, it has the induction bottom, and it is outer lid type. See here, outer lid type. This outer lid type, easy to see and seal openly easily. Yeah. And coming to this, if it is 2 liters, you can cook it for 1 to 2 members. If it is 3 liters, 2 to 3. If it is 5 liters, 5 to 7. If it is 7, yeah, only these 3 are in this combination. Yeah. If you want to check any other details, maybe I can keep it in the view products. You can check for the other details. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.